Hello my friends, this is Dani from Stay Fitness. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the carnivore brioche bread made by Meet Your Potential Instagram account. I'm going to leave you her link to her profile in the description below. Go and follow her, she makes amazing recipes, amazing content. So to make this bread you need to separate egg whites from the yolks. You're going to whip up the whites like you do with your protein sparing bread with a pinch of salt, and then add 6 tablespoons of egg white protein powder, or if you're following the original recipe it goes for 4 tablespoons of whey protein powder and 2 tablespoons of egg white protein powder. I didn't have any whey protein, so I added 6 tablespoons of egg white protein powder. Mix that up, and then on the side you're going to take the 8 egg yolks. You're going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. The original recipe calls for 2, or you can add some sweetener of your choice like allulose or erythritol. Whisk that up. So I whisk it quite well. I thought it might help to incorporate the egg yolks to the egg whites. Add the yolks to the whites, being careful not to over whisk, but making sure everything is all well incorporated. In the original recipe she makes a whole loaf. I usually don't have much luck with it, so I decided to do some baguettes. This is my favorite baguette mold, which I butter up, which helps then to cook it better and to take it out easier. So I made 3 of these baguettes, and then I use my other mold to make 2 additional ones. So this recipe makes about 5 baguettes. And then I baked it at 160 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. I just took them out when they were golden, nice and golden. I really like the effect. I guess the honey caramelizes and gives it a nice golden brown color. So these baguettes, this bread was really soft. It deflated a lot, so I'm not sure if I did something wrong or is there a trick to make it kind of like stay a little bit taller. When I see other people making it, it's kind of more bready. This was a bit, yeah, it was very soft. It wasn't that bready, but it was still very nice. It toasted really well. I toasted it in a pan on a medium heat with a bit of butter, nice and slow, and it was really nice. Even my partner said it was really nice, so definitely a success. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, of course follow Meet My Potential on Instagram as well, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.